Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Lead Technician View training. We're going to hop right into a couple of appointments here that are already in our schedule. Now, the thing is that if this is actually assigned to a specific technician, all appointments, whether they are assigned to someone or not assigned to someone, will be visible under the Lead Technician View. Now, one of the reasons for this is, for example, if you have William Shatner here, and it is assigned to a specific technician, and you need to attach an inspection report for them to complete, you can do so by adding it here, selecting the type of inspection that you would like them to do, hitting Add Inspection. And now if I go into my technician view, I can actually see that I have been assigned this work order by my lead technician or at the service advisor level. And I can also start that inspection here that was assigned to me by the lead technician. So that is one of your capabilities as a lead tech. But let's just go through and say that this is actually my work order. And so I want to start it as this technician. I'm going to go ahead and hit start on the appointment. I already selected which inspection I wanted to complete on this. If I had not, it would prompt me to do so here, like so. But like I said, we've already selected one on here, so it's going to take us directly into it by hitting begin. So now that I've selected start, it has moved down into this working on it section. And I'm going to go ahead and click view inspection. And now I can complete my inspection. I can update vehicle information here, such as updates to mileage since their last visit. I can enter in the tire pressure and tread depth for all tires. Let's say it started off at a 30 PSI and we're topping it off at 34. And I'll record my tread depth. We'll go ahead and just do this for all 4 tires. As you can see, now we have the information for all 4 tires. And down here, we're going to hop into the actual inspection. We're going to go ahead and we're going to select these items here. We're going to mark this inspection report complete and hit close. And then now we can just go ahead and finish our work order. The appointment has now moved down into this done section to keep it separate from the rest of your appointments. And I can actually go back up to our checked in and start my next work order. Thank you so much for joining us for this brief training. If you have any questions, reach out to us at reginalee@pointstire.com, or you can reach out to our Alltrac support specialist, Thomas Shetler, right here.